Hi, what's up everyone? In this video, we are going to talk about the top best Galaxy S24 Ultra screen protectors you can buy on Amazon. Link are in the description, do check them out. So let's get started. On number 8. UltraGlass UNBREAK Top 9H Plus Glass. Presenting the revolutionary nanotech glass, a technological marvel that offers 100% successful fingerprint unlocking as a solution for protecting smartphone screens. With the help of unique UE tech, this incredibly thin and incredibly robust glass guarantees a perfect 100% ultrasonic signal transmission, enabling faster and more accurate fingerprint unlocking. The Top 9H Plus nanotech glass material, commonly used in aerospace and military applications, is specifically made to be an indestructible second screen for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. It delivers unparalleled wear resistance, scratch resistance, and shatterproofness. It passes 12 demanding technical tests and is recognized as the industry's best military-grade shatterproof product. It excels in terms of strength, hardness, and longevity. With automatic alignment, dust and air bubble removal, and absorption technology, the installation is incredibly simple and guarantees a faultless application free of flaws. Bid farewell to slow or inefficient fingerprint unlocking and welcome to the world of enhanced smartphone screen protection. On number 7. Tora's top-notch Diamond Shield. As the premier brand of protection in the market, Tora's puts customers first by leading the way in screen protection innovations. With an unwavering dedication to client satisfaction, Tora's uses state-of-the-art technologies and premium materials to provide unmatched protection. Their screen protectors, which are made of materials of aerospace quality, have an amazing 9H plus hardness, which increases durability by 220% and extends the lifespan to an amazing 452 days. By utilizing more than 30 innovative processing techniques, such as aerospace composite technology, ion exchange technology, and Tora's CRC buffering layer, Tora's surpasses less expensive competitors in impact resistance by a factor of 7. The screen protector's sensitive sensory material construction enables 0.04s quick ultrasonic fingerprint unlocking. The automatic alignment and dust removal capabilities make installation simple and guarantee a perfect 100% success rate. They also remove the inconveniences that come with dust particles and misalignment. With Tora's, embrace a world of protection and accuracy. On number 6. Spigen Tempered Glass Screen Protector. The innovative Galaxy S24 Ultra screen protector comes in 2 packs and includes an auto-alignment installation tool for simple installation. Because it is made of tempered glass with a 9H hardness rating, it is quite durable. An oleophobic coating keeps the screen clean by resisting regular fingerprints. Specifically designed for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, this protector offers exceptional clarity while maintaining the original screen brightness. It also works with all Spigen Galaxy S24 Ultra cases, offering complete protection without sacrificing design or usefulness. On number 5. WSKN Ultra Screen Protector. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra screen protector from WSKN has a 0.24mm thickness that improves phone responsiveness without sacrificing fingerprint sensor functioning. It also enables fingerprint unlock. For best unlocking performance, the toughened glass encourages users to re-enter their fingerprints. The protector guarantees everyday life protection with its 9H hardness and military shockproof upgrading. Dust and fingerprints are kept at bay by the film's surface plasma oleophobic layer. With precise alignment, no skill required, and no bubbles, the 10S Fast Auto Dust Removal function makes installation simple and straightforward. Weskin puts the convenience of its users first, striving for a hassle-free experience. The inherent elegance of the Galaxy S24 Ultra is showcased by the protector, which preserves incredibly clear images and touch sensitivity. Double durability against drops and impacts is what WSKN guarantees, along with lifetime assistance for a variety of problems. When a user has issues with incorrect sizing, damaged packaging, improper installation, or breakage, they can get in touch with WSKN via Amazon to activate the warranty. On number 4. LYWHL 3-Pack Screen Protector. Take advantage of the Galaxy S24 Ultra durable flexible hydrogel screen protector for superior screen protection. It ensures that your screen will stay intact even in the event of a drop, offering the durability of tempered glass without the risk of breaking. This flexible, high-density nano-TPU non-glass protection is made to survive regular use, shielding your phone from scratches caused by coins or keys while preserving its immaculate appearance. The micro-curved edges of your Galaxy S24 Ultra screen suit its curves perfectly, keeping dust out of the way and providing just enough room for a case. The fingerprint unlocking feature is incredibly quick, taking only 0.01 seconds to unlock, and the auto repair function takes care of small scratches and bubbles in just a day. Take advantage of AR enhancement for an exceptionally clear picture, and the sophisticated AF nano coating to prevent stains and fingerprints. With a locator made specifically for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, which offers a perfect fit and bubble-free application, simple installation is guaranteed. On number 3. Hori Ultra Privacy Screen Protector. Hori presents a cutting-edge screen protector for the Galaxy S24 Ultra that uses cutting-edge technology. Without sacrificing touch sensitivity, this biodegradable and environmentally responsible attachment offers seamless fingerprint and Face ID unlocking on tempered glass. In only 5 seconds, the Hori installation tray guarantees a simple, dust-free installation. With a plasma oleophobic layer and an ultra-thin 0.25mm tempered glass film, the protector provides responsive gaming and fast app operations with smooth touch sensitivity. The anti-spy screen guard, which is only visible to people directly in front of it, minimizes visual noise and maintains good resolution thanks to its improved 25 degrees privacy protection angle. Hori promises a flawless installation, provides excellent service, and promises replacements for any problems with installation or product quality. Use this cutting-edge S24 Ultra screen protector to protect your privacy. On number 2. ESR Ultra Screen Protector. This screen protector, made especially for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, has ultra-tough tempered glass that can withstand up to 33 pounds of force, providing military-grade protection. Strong scratch resistance is provided by the strong tempered glass, guaranteeing that the screen will never break. Its 2.5D micro-curved edges perfectly match the Galaxy S24 Ultra's curves, providing complete coverage protection to stop dust accumulation while yet allowing room for a case. High-quality, transparent glass that preserves HD clarity enables complete face recognition compatibility. This protector meets strict military standards and maintains the original display quality of your Galaxy S24 Ultra by protecting its screen from drops, bumps, and scratches. On number 1. Unique Me Screen Protector. Made of 9H tempered glass, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra screen protector set comes with 2 packs of screen protectors and 2 packs of camera lens guards that are specifically designed for the 6.8-inch display. Equipped with edge strengthening and 9H hardness, the enhanced design guarantees military-grade shockproof protection and protects the S24 Ultra screen from high-impact drops, scratches, and shattering. It also offers 5 times stronger scratch resistance. A 1:13D curved edge that fits 99% of mobile phone cases and offers round-the-clock customer support is what makes Unique Me stand out from the competition in terms of design and compatibility with cases. For best results, a dust-free, clean phone surface is required for the bubble-free, simple installation process. The S24 Ultra offers a smoother touch, faster reaction, and a continuous, sensitive slide thanks to anti-reflection and AF plasma technologies, which also retain 99.8% light transmittance for an original pixel experience. So guys, this was the video about the best Galaxy S24 Ultra screen protectors. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. Thank you.